This is the size comparison with my 5700 XT from Sapphire. So in case you want to know, this card will not fit in the case. So the side panel is not the original one. This is another customized side panel that I purchased from another vendor. The CPU cooler that I'm using is IS50X from ID Cooling. So when I close the side panel, it actually touches the fan itself. So the case comes with this riser, so you can install it, and then it will get, I think, 10mm extra for the CPU cooler clearance. There are a few points to take note if you are building with this case. So the first is that you actually need to put in the motherboard first before the PSU. So at the first time I put in the PSU first, then my motherboard actually won't fit inside. So the second point is that there are two screw riser like this, one for the motherboard and the other one for the PCIe extension. For my case, actually the case maker had put it the other way around. So I only noticed after I want to install the PCIe extension, so it won't fit, which means I have to take off the motherboard, which means I have to take off the PSU again. So another point is that I am having difficulty to screw in the PSU with the bracket. So at the end, I'm using the combination of these. So these two things to screw in the bracket. So besides that, this case is actually not that difficult to build. It's just like something you should expect from an ITX case. So overall, it's quite well for me. And that's all for today. Thank you.